Hello friends, I hope you're all doing wonderful. Today we're going to be sculpting a chocolate burst of someone incredibly famous. I want to see if you can recognize who it is as we go. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's melt this chocolate first and then we add more. This mold is going to work perfectly. To make the chocolate set faster, let's leave the mold open. I think it's ready. Now let's secure the halves together and hide the join.
Well, what do you think, friends? Do you recognize him? Just to be sure, write the name of this celebrity in the comments, so I'm sure I did it well. See you next time.